What do you think when you see a cow that cannot walk? Is it possible to make her better again? Or does the word paralyzed mean the end? Many people believe recovery is impossible. Some even decide to sell the animal at a very low price. Others abandon her completely. But today, you will witness something different, something real, something practical, and something based on veterinary science. Dear brothers and sisters, on behalf of Dr. Hannan Vet Zone, I warmly welcome you. This is not just another video. This is real field experience. This is real veterinary science. And above all, this is real hope for farmers. Please stay with us until the end because what you are about to see may completely change the way you think about paralyzed cattle. This cow has been suffering for a long time. For more than 6 months, she could not walk properly on her hind legs. Every step was painful, every movement was difficult. Milk production was gradually reduced, her breeding ability was affected, and slowly the economic value of the entire farm began to decline. For a farmer, this situation is heartbreaking because livestock is not just an animal, it is livelihood, it is food security, and it is the future of the family. No farmer should be deprived of fair value because of a treatable disease. This condition is commonly known in villages as shock or locking of the leg, but in medical language it is called upward fixation of the patella. This is a mechanical problem, not a nerve disease and not permanent paralysis. In this condition, the patella or kneecap gets locked in an abnormal position. As a result, the hind leg becomes stiff, movement becomes restricted, the animal walks abnormally, and over time, the cow may appear completely paralyzed. If left untreated, the condition becomes worse day by day. Now, let us carefully observe the before operation condition. You can clearly see that the cow is unable to walk normally. The hind leg remains rigid. There is visible discomfort. Pain is evident with every attempt to move. This is the stage where many people lose hope. But veterinary science tells a different story. Before starting the operation, proper rest and restraint are essential. The cow is safely tied to prevent kicking or sudden movement. This is done not only for safety, but also to ensure precision during surgery. Next, the surgical site is thoroughly cleaned. We use proper disinfectants to ensure a germ free surgical field. This step is extremely important to prevent post operative infection and long term complications. After proper preparation, local anesthesia is administered. This ensures that the cow does not feel pain during the procedure. There is no loss of consciousness, no unnecessary stress, and no injury from sudden movement. The animal remains calm, stable, and cooperative. Now comes the most critical part of the procedure. The specific ligament responsible for locking the patella is carefully identified. This step requires experience, knowledge of anatomy, and precise hand movement. With caution and accuracy, the ligament is released. This must be done expertly. If done incorrectly, it may cause permanent damage, but when done properly, the result can be extraordinary. And now, watch very carefully. Just minutes after the operation, the cow begins to walk. Yes, this is not magic. This is not a miracle. This is science applied correctly at the right time. By trained hands, the leg moves freely again, the stiffness disappears, the cow regains balance, and confidence slowly returns. This is the moment that brings genuine smiles to farmers' faces in this region. Yet many animals continue to suffer unnecessarily due to lack of awareness and delayed treatment. Early diagnosis and timely veterinary intervention can completely change the outcome. If you ever see a cow walking abnormally, dragging a hind leg, or struggling to move, do not ignore it. Consult a qualified veterinarian. Proper treatment can save the animal and protect the farmer's livelihood. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. Your support helps us spread real, practical veterinary knowledge to the field. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon To stay connected with more educational veterinary videos, thank you for watching. Stay with us and keep supporting Dr. Hannan Vet Zone